Hey everybody, it is Selena Gomez Rocks 2002, and today I'm going to show you my LPS refrigerator. Well, I guess it could be used for Barbies, but I'm going to show you how I made it. Okay, so first of all, let me get the other part of it that I did, that I cut. Okay, this is what I made it out. I cut in the middle to make it pretty good, and then let me see what I got. I took some paper, wrapped it around. I didn't do it in the back or on the bottom, or on where you open it. And then I took some cardboard and I put it on the top, because on the top it's like this, because it's just clear. So like that, and then also I used the cardboard for inside of it to do that. Then I put some tape right here to make it close better. And that is how I made my LPS refrigerator. It is really easy. So thank you for watching. Bye.